today we are going to go back to Wheelies. So I guess this would be the Wheelie Part 2 of the Z Adventures. Yeah, so I figured tonight would be a nice night. It's cooling down. This week got a little bit warm. Had lean back started this week, which is pretty dope. Went to the first night with Chicago United. I did not do the ride, unfortunately, because they got out late. Yeah, they got out super late and didn't start riding, and I work early in the morning, and it was about an hour away from where I live, and I just didn't want to be sluggish at work, so I didn't take the day off. And tonight I didn't want to go because it's Thursday, and I believe it's the late ride, and I work tomorrow. Now, last video was kind of when I was newly onto this bike. I was still trying to get used to it, and yeah, just getting used to the bike and just the feel. So I wasn't really pushing it too hard. I was able to get the wheel up, but I was doing moving wheelies, where this time I want to focus more on just balance point. Nice, nobody here. Oh. So we got our big open lot. Should probably, I mean, I have more distance going that way. You know, if I started over here, because I've been thinking about it. If I did it over here, I could have this whole back part. Oh, I should want to be mindful of that shtick there. So yeah. Actually, I'm going to dump my phone because I hate having my phone in my pocket. Phone there. Don't forget you. Oh yeah. So I'm trying to basically just keep my foot down. Like that. Keep this foot down, foot on the brake. But I feel like I'm taking my foot off the brake, you know. That's fine. It's all good. Did it again. I really need to get that clutch. That's the first thing I need to get, is that clutch lever. Because I need to one finger it. I think I gotta adjust it right where I need it to be. this way a little bit. See, it's this clutch. It's really light. Like I need to do the springs in it or something. Because if I let it out, it just dies. But yeah, see, it's too light. I just have to get used to getting balance point. And just getting the thing up and where it's not gonna fall over, you know. That's with both my feet just hanging off the back. I'm just using the clutch too to stop. These are all bad habits. Just bad habits. Yeah, I really can't do this without this clutch. I gotta upgrade that shit. Well, thought I'd be able to. And these mirrors, I gotta cut these mirrors off or do something with them. They gotta go. Let's go air this little bad boy down. So, got some wheeling in. Get the front end up. Let's go see what's over here. Never been over here. I don't even know if I can go back here. Oh, it smells horrible over here. Some urban exploring. What is back here? Oh, we can't go back there. Probably can't be back here either. Oh, this is the path. This is the trail. Yeah, this is the trail that goes all the way around. Basically a dead end. It must be for parking. It thought I was working out. smells terrible over here. That's the other thing, where I do my wheelies is right here. So everybody can hear it over here at the park. Not that I care, not that this thing's stupid loud, but if I was on my Mt.2, it'd be stupid loud. Oh, little guy. Kids are probably like, what the hell is this guy doing? What's up, dude? Funny thing is, like, yeah, I've had Harleys, and I would still take this thing over my Sportster any day. Got a brand new Sportster, 2021, and I would take this thing any day of the week. Finally get this thing up to a little bit of speed out here, you know? Just zip around town. So I know that was pretty much a whole lot of nothing in this video, but I mean, hopefully Saturday I have some work to do, but I'll hopefully have some more footage, but that will probably be uploaded at a later date, so if you're seeing this one. So we got more of lean back to go to this week, potentially, but other than that, I've just been so damn busy with work and everything else, you know. I just can't get out. And people out there golfing at this hour, damn. First time I came through here, I think I was paying attention, and I went down this one way. I went that way instead of this way. What's that? I know. I'll break it. So yeah, I am super happy I ended up purchasing this little bad boy. It's just a blast to drive around. I mean, I've been toting around for probably 2 days here and there, and fuel is still full. That's crazy. And I did switch over to my GoPro this evening for this this footage. So hopefully everything's still working. I think everything's still good. It should be. So I just haven't used it in a while, and I figured I've been using the Ace, and the Ace is just, it's really heavy. I love that camera, just of what it can do, but it's just a very heavy camera. I'm not running any ND filters, I'm just doing everything on auto. I'm just curious to see how the quality is, because I think like with adjusting all the footage, and I'm not a video person by any means. I just record and I can trim shit, but that's about it. See how the brights are? Holy shit, the brights are nice on this thing. Probably nice to have a vehicle that has nice bright lights. Holy hell. So yeah, that was pretty much bug in my face. Pretty much a video about nothing, because nothing is going on. Nothing is absolutely going on in my life. I just wanted to get out and ride, and if anything, one thing I should do to finish up this video, and it's probably gonna be absolute shit video quality, because I'm doing this very late at night, but if you are looking to get a mini moto, do it. It is so much fun. If you live in the city, if you live in a small town, if you live in a town, if you just are living, get one. It is fun. They are a blast to drive. They are really good on gas mileage. People stare at you because they don't know what it is. And these things have been out for 11 years now or longer. So, not this one in particular, the Kawasaki, but Groms have been around for quite some time. If you're thinking about getting one and you want to learn how to ride, if you want to learn how to stunt, these are entry level. These are gateways to the motorcycle world. Whether you just want to ride, whether you want to stunt, whether you want to do whatever you want to do, whatever your little heart desires, get one of these things. They are so much fun. I've been riding for decades, and this thing still puts a smile on my face. It's just a whole nother level of fun. It's not fast. It's not flashy. If it breaks, it's cheap to fix. It is so much fun. I just get on this thing every day after work, and I go around town. I have absolutely nothing to do. I have no intentions of going anywhere. I don't have to do anything. I just get on this thing and ride because it is fun. It is a blast. And they hold their value. If you're curious, if you even the crashed ones I've seen, if you put new plastics on it and stunt it, you can get your money back. That's the crazy thing. So if you're looking to get one, do it. Do it. Get one.